Alright guys, in the past few months, this Faceless YouTube channel has earned over $3,000 by uploading documentaries made by AI. And if we take a closer look, we can see that still gets hundreds of views every day. And in total, with only 7 videos, the channel has achieved more than 10 million views, which is incredible. It is a very big opportunity to make money. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start your own YouTube automation channel using this method. That's right. If you have the patience to watch this video until the end, you will have all the knowledge needed to start your own YouTube automation business. No cap. We'll cover everything from creating the channel and designing the logos to writing scripts and creating our first video together. Today is a big one, guys, so you better get comfortable. By the end of the video, you'll be a YouTube automation expert. There are 5 essential steps to producing the actual video, but I'll also share one final tip at the end that I've picked up from managing multiple faceless YouTube channels. This tip will enable you to monetize such a channel. That's what you're interested in, isn't it? Typically, people spend thousands of dollars to get this kind of information through courses, but I'll provide it to you for free. So, be sure to pay attention. For your convenience, I'll include a Google Dossier in the description with my fully updated collection of AI tools. They call me Mr. Income for a reason, so let's get started. To start off, we obviously need a channel and branding for it. So, go over to your YouTube studio and create a channel. Just in case you already know how to create a channel and the logo, feel free to use timestamps below to navigate to the next step. For now, on the right side, hit your profile icon. Now hit Switch Account, and all the way at the bottom, hit View All Channels. Now hit Create a Channel. Just like that. Now choose a name for the channel. I already went to Chatgpt and asked it to provide me with some history-related name ideas. Feel free to copy this prompt to generate your own ideas. Now pick the name that you like and simply copy it. Now paste it into your name field and create a corresponding username as well. Next, tell Chatgpt what name you chose and ask it for a short channel description that is well organized and has emojis for that extra engagement. Once it's done, paste it into your bio. And now, we are ready to create our logo. To create a logo, we will need an image editor of your choice and an AI image generator. I will use Leonardo AI and Canva. So first, let's go back to Chatgpt and ask it to give us a design idea for the logo. Once it's done, ask it to provide you with a text prompt to generate the images that you can paste into an image generator. Make sure to additionally tell it that it's a channel about history and that you want a famous history character shown on your logo. Now head over to Leonardo AI and click on Image Generation right here on the left. Now in the Image Dimension section, put in 800 by 800 since that's YouTube's logo format. Now I will choose Leonardo Photoreal Effect right here since it's one of my favorites. Now just paste your logo prompt from Chatgpt and hit generate a few times. Boom, our logo is done. Just download the one you like. Now go back to the YouTube studio and simply upload your logo. Okay, we are finally ready to move on to the video creation process. So now this is where one of my secret weapons comes into the picture. It's called DubDub. It's an all-in-one AI tool that has a lot of purposes and use cases. So let's do everything in order. The link to DubDub will be in the description as well as the Google Doc. Once you create an account, you will land on the homepage. Now click on AI Voiceover right here. Now simply click on the Ask AI to Write button. Now simply type in, write a script for a video called The History of Ancient Egypt. Within seconds, you have a great script ready to go. In a matter of seconds, you can then edit any parts of the script you desire. For example, you can make sections longer, make sections shorter, change the tone of sections, or even simplify parts of the language. These edits allow me to make scripts that sound as human as possible, which in turn gave me everything I needed to go viral. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to leave a thumbs up and a comment so we can push the algorithm. Voiceover production. Alright, here comes the voiceover. So let's go back to DubDub's homepage. Head to the audio section right here. Now simply paste our script. I sifted through hundreds of AI voiceovers available. Each one is ultra realistic and perfect for our purpose. I think this voice, Coulter Nelson, best fits our purpose and sounds quite close to the one documentaries channels uses. Once you configure the settings, hit export and choose the MP3 audio format. Creating visuals. Alright, now let's create our visuals. So first, let's go back to Chatgpt and ask it to provide us with some visuals for the story. For that, we are going to ask Chatgpt to give us 10 prompts that describe each moment of the text. Now let's go to Leonardo AI. To use Leonardo AI, simply create an account. The link will be in the description. On a free account, they allocate 150 free credits to you daily. For each generation, you will need 1 to 2 credits, so you can literally generate hundreds of images daily. So paste the prompts and let it generate images for you. Once it does, simply save them to your computer. Now let's go to Pictory AI. I will also put the link to it in the description, and as always, once you click the link, you will land on the homepage. I already have an account, so I will simply log in. Once you do that, it will take you to the dashboard. Let's go to the story section. Click on Script to Video and paste the paraphrase script from Chatgpt into the text box. Now just hit Proceed and go through all the images it will automatically generate based on your script. Feel free to replace the images that you don't like with the images we generated earlier with Leonardo AI. Now that our video is ready, let's hit the Export button. Select the video format of your choice and hit Export once again. In a few moments, I am going to share my secret tip that has made me triple my visits and subscribers in less than a week, so it will be worth it for you to stay. This is the result of our video.
Welcome to the history of ancient Egypt, a captivating journey through the rich and enigmatic civilization that flourished along the banks of the Nile River for over 3,000 years.
Scheduling and monetization. At this point, all you need to do is go to your YouTube studio and upload the video. Feel free to use Pictory AI to automatically generate a video title and description with some extra tags, but it's totally optional. If you have any questions about using any of the tools mentioned in this video, feel free to use the comment section, and I will do my best to answer them as soon as possible. So guys, as promised, I will now share one of the most valuable tips I have learned throughout my YouTube journey that can help you actually make money running a faceless YouTube channel. Here it goes. Get out of your own way. Guys, just start posting. Yes, the first few videos will be absolutely garbage, and that's completely normal. I mean, my first channel was so bad, even I didn't want to watch it, but that's the trick. Eventually, you will get better and better. The algorithm will start showing your videos to people who are actually interested in the content you create, and in turn, you will start getting your first subscribers and eventually your first paycheck. As you already know, there are many ways to make money on YouTube. AdSense is one of them, but I highly recommend you start monetizing your channel before you get approved for monetization. The easiest way to do this is through affiliate marketing. You can even use Pictory AI or any other affiliate program. I recommend using Amazon Associates as they have an insanely high conversion rate and offer high commission payouts. Check out my other content creation courses using AI on my channel. Use the Google Doc below for a full collection of the best AI tools. Subscribe to the channel for more videos. See you in the next one.